Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to view the print history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. Right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Bluetooth and devices. On right side select printer and scanners. And now you just need to select whatever printer you want to check the print history for. In this list, click on it. And now you just need to select printer properties, and now you just need to select the advanced tab. You just need to make sure to keep printed documents is checkmarked over here, and after checking it select apply and OK for save changes. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure you have it in there, and then you want to make sure you are able to track the printed documents. If you don't have that check marked, you are not going to be able to view any printed documents going forward. So you may have already been checked in your case, guys. You just need to select open print queue, which would show a more recent print history. Now it may not be as exclusive as event viewer, guys. Close it off here and go to search menu and type event viewer. Click on open it, guys. Now you just need to just full screen it and now expand it. You just need to click on the applications and services logs. Wait for it, it is loading. And now we just need to double click on the Microsoft over here. And now you just need to double click on the Windows over here. And now you just need to search for print service, print. In here you just need to click on anything here and type print service. You just need to double click on it. And now you just need to right click on the operational and select properties. You just need to check mark this option, guys, enable logging. Make sure overwrite events as needed is selected, and maximum log size select it by your preferences. And you can also change the log path as well by posting in a different file path if you have an external hard drive, and that's where the log path will be saved, guys. Once you made these changes select apply and OK for save changes, and now close it up here. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave the like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.